This program is brought to you in part by Michelin, a better way forward.
Once tropical storm and hurricane force winds onset, do not venture outside.